Are the Rockfon's exposed soffit solutions the right choice for your next building project? With 3 tips and tricks for a quick, easy, and perfect installation, we aim to convince you. Tip number 1. What are exposed soffit solutions? These are the right solutions if a traditional suspended ceiling technically is not appropriate, for example, in thermal mass buildings, or if a different ceiling design is required. These solutions offer room acoustic improvement, and they are quick and easy to install. We divide these solutions into 3 groups: tiles bonded to the soffit, suspended islands, and suspended baffles. Tip number 2. Check our multiple installation options. Let's start with Rockfon System B adhesive. This bonded solution is ideal when a minimum installation height is needed. The BH tiles are 20 or 40 mm thick and are available in a range of colors. Thanks to the sharp-looking Baffle BH, the tiles can be installed alone or in group, with and without a gap. 2 adhesives are possible. The first one is packed in a bucket and applied with a trowel. It can be used on many substrates. The second one is packed in a sausage and applied with a glue gun. It can also be used on many substrates, including metal. It is very important to check if the right bonding conditions are fulfilled. These are substrate flatness, substrate quality, and the temperature. The next solution is a frameless island solution. Rockfon System Eclipse Island. The Eclipse panel is 40 mm thick and has a minimalistic painted A-edge. It is available in different shapes and colors. To suspend the island, there are 2 suspension kits. A kit consists of a wire, a safety attachment hook, and a spiral anchor to attach the assembled wire to the island. The classic solution has a 90-degree end. The design solution has a refined cylindrical capping. The adjustable bottom hook makes mounting and leveling of the island very easy. The number of hangers depends on the shape and the size. The sloping of the island can be maximum 45 degrees. The minimum suspension height with these suspension kits is 150 mm, excluding the tile. If you have less height available, you can use the direct solution suspension kit. You get then an installation height of 45 mm, excluding the tile. The kit consists of 2 sets of shallow profiles. The bottom profiles are attached to the back of the panel with spiral anchors. This solution provides flexible alignment in 2 directions. For sloping and vertical application, special care should be taken in precise positioning of the profiles. What about surface integration in Rockfon System Eclipse Island? Adding lighting fixtures must be done independently. There is one exception. In the biggest rectangular island, a light fixture of maximum 5 kg can be installed as long as all 6 suspension points and the yoke are used. If you create multiple islands, do it with a small gap for a nice coupling result. For a multi-layer installation, check the possible suspension distances in the system description. These depend on size and shape. Now let's move to the suspended baffle solutions. The first one is a frameless one, Rockfon System Contour Baffle. The contour panel is 50 mm thick and has a painted beveled edge. It is available in a range of sizes and dimensions. We provide two suspension kits, the Classic and Design solution, like Rockfon System Eclipse Island. This time the wire is attached to the baffle by a screw hook that is delivered together with the baffle. The screw hook is fixed in pre-embedded fixing points. The minimum installation height is 75 or 90 mm. The next baffle solution is Rockfon System Industrial Baffle. It is a functional suspended acoustic solution for noisy industrial spaces. The baffle has a thickness of 50 mm and a two-sided grayish vertical frame to protect against damages. Thanks to the multi-suspension clip, 3 installation options are available. The first solution, you can click the baffle into a support track with 2 fixing clips. Quick and easy. This solution can be direct installed with an installation height of 50 mm or suspended with threaded rods. Several group layouts are possible with easy alignment and less suspension points. In the T24 solution, the baffle is fixed directly to the T24 profile. Very simple. Several group layouts are possible. For the quick hanger solution, the flat eyelet needs to be lifted up. 2 baffles can be suspended on the same quick hanger. The second framed baffle solution is Rockfon System Universal Baffle. This attractive solution is suitable for noisy offices, leisure, education, and retail environments. The baffle has a thickness of 50 mm and a 2 or 4-sided robust frame that protects the baffle edges from damages. The 4-sided version is available in a wide range of colors. Like with the industrial baffle, multiple installation options are possible. The first 2 ones are the same. Note that the support track is available in 3 colors: gray, white and black. As a third solution, the Design and Classic suspension kits are proposed. 2 baffles can be suspended with the same suspension kits. The last frame baffle solution is Rockfon System Humitec Baffle. This solution is ideal for areas with high cleaning requirements such as healthcare or humid spaces. The baffle has a thickness of 50 mm and a 4-sided enhanced corrosion-resistant frame, or shortly ECR frame. There are 2 installation options: the Rockfon ECR direct fixing bracket solution. This consists of an ECR Class D direct fixing bracket and ECR Class D threaded rods and nuts. 2 baffles can be suspended on the same direct fixing bracket. The minimum suspension height is 50 mm. The second solution is the ECR T24 solution. This is the same as the standard T24 solution, but all the components are ECR Class D. Tip 3, the last one. Did you know that? The Eclipse box contains a pair of gloves so hand marks can be avoided. It also contains a marking tool for fast marking of drilling and anchor points. There is a repair kit available to repair damaged edges of Rockfon Eclipse and Contour. In the design top fixing part, there is an internal M6 thread, allowing for connections with T24 fixation clip or gypsum plugs. Turn the Eclipse spiral anchors deep enough, but not too deep. The dimple on the end of the frame baffles ensure good alignment. Make sure that the eyelet of the frame baffles is completely vertical after lifting. And all the solutions should not be used in areas exposed to wind load and draft. Do you want to see more about our exposed soffit solutions? On our website you can find our system descriptions. On our Instagram channel you can find great case references. For installation videos, take a look at the Rockfon YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the experience. Until next time.